Hello everyone, today we're going to work on a dexterity exercise involving 3 fingers on your fretting hand, 1, 2, 3, and also 3 fingers on your plucking hand, 1 thumb, index, and middle. But before we go to that 3-finger exercise, we're going to build up to that exercise and practice just 2 fingers for now, okay? So first though, we fret the first fret of the second string with your first finger and the second fret of the first string with your second finger. We pluck it using your thumb on the second string and your index finger on the first string. So it will be like this. Moving up the frets one at a time. Just up to the 12th fret. When your second finger is on the 12th fret, that's where we end it. Okay, so the whole thing on second and first string will be like this. Watch closely my fretting fingers and my picking fingers. Then we do it again, but we let both string ring at the same time. So next we move up to the second and third string. Same shape, just moving up one string, both of them. And then your thumb will pluck the third string and your index finger will pluck the second string. So moving up the fret. Remember to move your whole hand, including your thumb, behind as you move up each fret. Okay. Now we move on to the fourth and the third string. Same thing. Fifth string and fourth string. If you're having trouble with this exercise, watch how my thumb is extending this way. On the side, I'm plucking it this way, and my index finger is tucked in, and when I'm plucking it upwards, it's towards my palm. With this position, they won't be in the way of each other, so you have freedom of movement, okay? Now, 6th string and 5th string. There you go. Okay, once you get that right, practice the whole thing again, straight without stopping. As clear, as concise as possible, okay? But don't go overboard with your speed, just a comfortable speed for you. Very good warm-up for 2 fingers, okay? Next, we move on to the 3 fingers now, okay? We use the first finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret, second finger on the 2nd fret, 2nd string, and your 3rd finger is on the 1st string, 3rd fret. So it's like a stairs, like this, okay? Now your thumb will be plucking the 3rd string, index finger will be plucking the 2nd, and now your middle finger is assigned on the 1st string, okay? So like that. And remember, when you're plucking, your longer finger should be plucking upwards towards your palm. Not like this, okay? It should be like this. So your thumb is free to move up and down. Although your thumb is just plucking it downwards all the time, your index and your middle finger will be plucking upwards. So it will look like this. We're moving up until your ring finger, 3rd finger, is on the 12th fret. Okay, let's do that again. Now practice it one at a time like an arpeggio, and then you practice it like also one at a time, but let 3 strings ring overlapping each other. There are 2 ways to practice that. Now we move up 1 string, all of them. Now this time your first finger is on the 4th string, second finger is on the 3rd string, and your 3rd finger is on the 2nd string. Your plucking hand will also move up, obviously, okay? So here. So make sure that you have very small movement on your plucking hand, okay? Next, move up to the 5th string. There you go. Practice it also overlapping. Let all string rings. whole hand as you move up. Next, 6th string, 5th string, and 4th string. Overlapping, now one at a time. There you go. So the whole exercise now with 3 fingers. There you go. This exercise will prepare you for bar chords, for arpeggios, for other plucking exercises, or plucking songs that you might encounter later on. Now you can reverse the exercise. So instead of your first finger up on the 3rd string, you reverse the shape. Your first finger is down on the 1st string, 2nd finger 2nd string, and 3rd finger on 3rd string. You can pluck it this way also. This sounds like a chord already, a minor chord, just moving up in the fret, okay? Now try it with like one at a time also. Like an arpeggio also. Then we move up the string. I'm almost sliding my 3rd finger as I move up. That's fine. So we move up again on the 5th string. Same pattern. So your plucking hand still thumb, index, middle. Now on the 6th string. There you go. Don't forget to practice also overlapping strings, ringing together. This will set you up for bar chords later on, like I said. Okay. Alright, so go ahead and practice those exercises and get familiar with it until you feel really comfortable doing it, the whole exercise. Now we're going to practice it with a metronome now to make sure that we also have steady rhythm, okay? So I'm going to turn on a metronome. This is a little slow. I don't have the exact number of the metronome. This keyboard doesn't display the exact number of the speed of the metronome. But this is like a moderately slow speed, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that 3-finger exercise will sound like a triplet in this metronome. So we were like counting 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. So it will be like this on the plucking. Make sure that you can pluck it this way for now, okay? Thumb, index, middle, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string. There you go. Let's get used to this. Okay, once you get used to that already, we can try the exercise now. The first one with your 1st finger on the 3rd fret, 3rd string, sorry. 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string like this, okay? Now, let's try it. Listen to the metronome, do a countdown. 4, 3, ready, go. You get it? Okay, let's do it again. 4, 3, ready, go. Okay, now we're going to do the whole exercise from this position all the way up to the 6th string position, okay? Ready? In 4, 3, ready, go. Alright, did you get it? So you can hear me kind of sliding down when I reach the 12th fret. to restart from the next string above on the first fret, okay? That's fine. I actually recommend that you just keep it instead of then just leaping. And this way, when you're sliding, you kind of have a guide with your fingers going down the fret and then adjust, moving to the next one, okay? So we're gonna try this again with a faster tempo. Now, if you're not ready yet, you can scroll back and practice with that tempo, spend time with that. And now, when you're ready, I'm gonna play this tempo and add 10 points. And this is faster now, okay? I'll do the same exercise. If you're ready, you can play along. 4, 3, ready, go. So notice my thumb is always on the pulse. I'm thinking triplets. So that's how you practice this 3-finger, okay? One more, we're gonna do it a little faster now. This is the last time. We're gonna add 10 points to the metronome. But this was the previous one. I'm gonna add 10 points. This is a little faster now, okay? Moderately fast. This is the last one for this video, okay? Here we go. Ready? 4, 3, ready, go. You need to relax. Breathe in. Don't forget to breathe. Relax. Alright, so that is my 3-finger fretting and plucking exercise for dexterity and kind of mapping out the fretboard of your guitar up to the 12th fret to get familiar with all the strings and all the frets. So the key here is to enjoy the exercises. Have fun with it. Don't take it too seriously. If you make a mistake, that's good. Make all the mistakes that you can during exercises so you're aware that you're making a mistake and then adjust. So good luck on your guitar journey. I'll see you in the next video.